Howdy, how's it going, Davinci Resolve Linux users? I have a quick video. So if you don't know, when you use Davinci Resolve on Linux, which is already a pain in the something you're going to want to be able to do is edit videos with audio in them. Big mistake I've made is making hundreds and hundreds of clips that Davinci Resolve cannot detect the audio, and I'm going to explain to you why and how to fix that. So on default, I'm on OBS here. You go to settings and you check output and go to recording. You can see how we have a video encoder and we have an audio encoder right here. By default, because I stream, the audio encoder is ffmpeg AAC. However, and so I had the audio as the same as ffmpeg AAC before. And we have Davinci Resolve here. I have two videos. Here's a video from a while back, and we play it in. Let me make sure the audio is actually, yeah. We play it, you're not going to hear anything. You see I'm talking, drinking, and there's nothing. And that's because Davinci Resolve cannot detect it. However, once I switched to FLAC, which you can stream in AAC and record in FLAC at the same time. I have this silly video just made, and listen. Testing the audio. Testing the audio. You can hear that I'm speaking. And that's because it's in FLAC. So whatever software you're using, whatever you record, try to do FLAC or .wav. Try to look up the compatible audio file to know those two are compatible. It's going to save you so much time. If you do have a video that is in AAC or some other format, the fix is right here. If you download ffmpeg, and here's an example, I can make it bigger. So this command right here, all right. So this command right here is going to extract the audio from the video, and you can do MP3, you can do FLAC, you can do WAV, and then you're gonna name it whatever you want, and you're gonna look at the video. So whatever video you have, you're gonna put right here, and then whatever audio you want to name it, the extracted audio, you want to put right there. And then when you do that, you can put that extracted audio in Davinci Resolve and it'll detect it. So I just wanted to make the video real quick because if you make one video that's cannot be detected, it's easy to use that command. The problem is I have about 130 clips that I want to start editing, and they're all undetectable, and I'm going to have to extract the audio individually. So I thought, since I can't save my own time, I can save yours. Anyways, watching.